Okay, coming into the sunrise here on the Yakima River. Train trestle there. Make sure you look both ways on these babies twice. No trains. And away we go along the Yakima River for a while. Okay, here comes Danny boy. Now we're going over the bridge. It's got a pretty good bike path on the side. Now we're over on the Pasco side. And we'll go down the Columbia River and see what we can see there. Here's the Klaus Family E-Bike One Wheel Sunday Morning Ride Group. There's Danny on the Tadpole, as they call it. Tommy on the one wheel. And me on this big beast of a Himiway. Okay, pedaling. My motor's off. Still got power, but do want to get a little exercise. Get my stick up here a little bit, as long as I don't hit this tree. Rolling along the Columbia. Tire is all repaired. We picked up another rider here, brother Terry. Now Terry has joined the group. Say hi, Terry. You're on the vid. Coming out to the point here, it juts out into the Columbia River here. Get some good views of the bridges. Here's the boys. We just come walking up the bank here. The poppies. My brother Dan planted these quite a few years ago, and they've spread all along this bank along the river here. So there's the cable bridge. Okay, here we're gonna take a picture of the world's largest crane right up there. Terry's pointing it up. Ooh, it goes way up there. How many tons does this lift anyway? Okay, here we are in the middle of the bridge, middle of the Columbia River. Trying to get the three-wheeler down through here pretty tight. It fits, just barely. Probably have at least a 1/16 of an inch on each side. Go along the Columbia River here on the Kennewick side. There's some bald eagles up there on the tree.